This video describes how you submit a file for registration. Once you build your file and add all relevant forms and supporting documents, it's time to submit your file for registration. Click on the file to submit from your workspace. Click the Next button to move to Step 2 and set your file's registration order. If your file contains multiple forms, you want to confirm your registration order. Click the 4 lines to the right of each form to drag them into their correct order. You can also use the arrows to the right of each form to reorder your file. It's important that the order of your forms match the order in which you want them to be registered. Click the Proceed button once you have your series in the correct registration order. eRegistration checks your file for issues and flags potential errors or warnings that may prevent submission. While this check highlights basic issues, it doesn't replace reviewing your forms, nor does it guarantee a fully error-free submission. If there is a possible issue, it will be flagged first. If nothing is flagged, you will be directed to the payment screen. Correct any submission errors before proceeding. For example, if a smart form lacks a signature page, you'll receive a submission error. Warnings indicate possible deficiencies. You may ignore them, but correcting them helps avoid delays. Click the Back button to fix errors and warnings. Click on Flagged Forms to address issues. Once you correct any errors and warnings, you can set your registration order using the same process already described. Prior to registration, indicate if the file has a supervising lawyer. Next, review the fees for your file. If one of your forms is fee-exempt, you can indicate that using the fee-exempt checkbox. The fee-exempt option is not to be used for claiming a land transfer tax exemption. This is to be done inside the form. Once you confirm the fees are correct, select your payment method. You are able to pay for your submission with your deposit account or using electronic funds transfer if your firm has signed up for that option. Read and accept the terms and conditions, and then submit your file for registration. The file submission confirmation number is your confirmation that your file was submitted successfully. A copy of the confirmation will be sent to the email you have on file with us. You can also print a copy using the Print button located in the top right corner of the confirmation page. It's important to note that a confirmation number is not a registration number. Registration is a separate process that occurs only during prescribed registration hours. Your file is now submitted for registration. Keep original documents available for inspection by the district registrar until your file is accepted or rejected. To view submitted files in your workspace, disable the Submitted File Exclusion filter. The first registration number of each submitted file will appear in your workspace once the registration number is assigned. Submitted files stay in your workspace for 7 days after registration and acceptance or 60 days after rejection. Review files in your workspace by selecting them. To download your entire file, click the Download button to the far right of the file name. This will save all the contents of your file as a zip file containing all items with your original file name. Thank you for watching. Visit our YouTube page for more videos, or go to www.teranetmanitoba.ca for assistance with our online services.